So hi, I'm Dean Underwood. I'm the IT director for Poundland. I've been with Poundland 3 years. I run the IT team. I sit on the management team as well, so I'm heavily involved in the business. So my team is relatively small in size for the size of our business. We're around 60 people, and that covers the service desk right up to delivery. The main challenges we find is just the heritage or legacy nature of the infrastructure that we run. The business has grown quickly over the last 30 years, and obviously the money's been spent inside of that growth. But as a business, we've decided now is the time to invest in technology, so it's a really exciting time for my team. Before we put Workato in, some of the challenges my team had, we were having a lot of issues in our overnight batch, a lot of failures, maybe a couple a week, which is a really critical system for us. So since Workato, we've had no issues for months now, which is testament to the platform and the stability it gives us, but also the ability to handle errors and bypass when we need it to. So, it's a fantastic platform for us. We've also allowed us to take hours out of our store with some of the shelf-edge labeling stuff we've done, which is, again, great because that allows our colleagues to be freed up to serve our customers and not necessarily be doing the manual tasks that they need to do before. Some of the use cases we have has been really quantifiable results based on maybe the shelf-edge labeling use case that we've had. That's reduced 10,000 labour hours inside a store. I think for us as a business, the most quantifiable impact has been around the improvement in our overnight replen batch, as we call it. The impact of us not having that finish on time is a domino effect inside of our distribution centres. They're a 24/7 organisation, and they are reliant on these orders delivering on a certain time to allow their resourcing plan to work. But there's also an element of that around the fresh and frozen element, which, as you can imagine, is perishable. So if we don't get those orders in time, there's a lot of stock potentially going to be thrown out. So it's a real tight timeline. But with Workato now, we've reduced that run by 3 hours, which means we have not missed that timeline for many months. So some of the ways we've got the momentum inside of the business is by going after some of the small, high visible solutions first. So building a little bit of trust in the business on the Workato platform, telling the business about that platform and what it's doing and unlocking for us. I saw the future of Workato inside of Poundland is more business value, more business process automation. We're using the Workato platform now to unlock efficiencies inside of the finance department, our property team. We've got a real pipeline of solutions coming now, which is great. So it's about how do I deliver that now for the business, which is fantastic, whereby maybe 6 months ago is how do I create that pipeline, which is a really strong position for us to be in.